These are the elevators at the Courtyard by Marriott near University Town Center in Sarasota, Florida. This is the A bank. We're gonna go to 3. There's 2 banks because there's 2 different buildings to this hotel. This is the older building. Courtyard 3. Here's a quick look at the hallway. We're gonna go back down to 1. Here's your inspection certificate. Here's your emergency phone. And here's your cab view. This building, I believe, was constructed in 2002. The other one's from 2008. And it's actually a 4-story building, so we're gonna ride those in another video. The lobby is right around the corner. We're gonna ride the other one. Let's go to 3. Here's your certificate, here's your phone, and here's your cab view. So pretty basic elevators, although they are nice. If no one's on 1, I'm going to show you the interlock. I think there is someone though. Nope. Here's something interesting. The date says tested 11/1992. When I first filmed these, I thought that's when these were installed, but clearly not. Anyway, that'll be it.